everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for opening the video. Tony, I feel as if I'm coming down with a cold.
Feeling under the weather?
You know, everybody please forgive me. I am just sneezing and sniffling away, but I'm going to try to power through this video like a true trooper. Tony?
Yes.
Soldier that I am. Alright, so we're on the bypass, the Spanish Town bypass in St. Catherine. We're heading north, so we would head north towards, what's the name of that place that you go through? It's not Fern Gully, what's it called?
I don't know.
Where you have that little bridge that the cars and buses always turning over.
Oh, something gully too? No. Flat Bridge. I haven't driven through there in years. Years now?
Yes.
Oh yeah, since Highway.
Since Highway 2000. No, since North-South Highway.
Yeah.
I haven't driven there, but so I'm in the vicinity of Job Lane. Having a car wash here, so I'm in the vicinity of Job Lane. Job Lane to my left and right. So if I go to the right, I'll be on the Brunswick.
I remember we used to come all the way up here to get a taxi, you know?
Yeah, if I go to the left, I'm on St. John's Road. Now we used to live in Fairview Park, so we have to traverse these areas. We had to traverse these areas. To the left, you also have the depot, Tony. The depot that you go get your car passed.
Okay.
For fitness.
That's what
And well, for fitness, really.
That's why they're so busy today.
Right. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, where we're heading? We're heading to Angel Grove. So we have a house there for sale. So those of you who have been you missed out on, what was the one that missed out on? They missed out on
The Willardine?
The Willardine. That was a good buy at $12 million for two-sided house, as Jamaicans would have said. Two-sided house or a double-sided house.
So it's basically what, 5 bedrooms?
Yeah, 2 bedrooms on one and 3 bedrooms on the other. So $12 million that one was for. This one is for how much?
I'm not sure.
Alright, so it's going to be in the video. There was a valuation done on this one as well. But you see different areas have different values, ladies and gentlemen. So this one is Angel's Grove.
I think it's a smaller house too.
I don't know. It should probably is. You will see the specs running across the screen. So you're saying this one is not a 5 bedroom, that's what you're saying?
Right.
Alright, so I'm still on the Spanish Town. This is still called the Spanish Town bypass, I do believe, is it? So you have some schemes out here like Lakemore Gardens.
And what else is out here?
I know you have the GC Foster School. That's a school where we train teachers for sports. Like teachers who would train athletics, train athletes.
Okay.
Lawn tennis
Fillmore is on the left, right.
Fillmore on the right. GC Foster's college entrance should be on the left. That's another school that was given to us by the Cuban government. Another gift to Jamaica. I think it's a little bit underused.
You think we could train more teachers
Yes,
for sports?
yes we could. We could train
I think we
all
need
the
a priority.
Caribbean. We could train all the Caribbean.
Maybe we need to teach more sports.
Yeah, we need to train more sports. We need to train in more types of sports.
Right.
It could also be used as a specialized school for children who want to do sports.
Instead of going to traditional regular high schools,
yeah.
you go there for sport.
This is a left turn for GC Foster College to the side there actually. Yeah, it could be used for that. So children who good in athletics, lawn tennis, swimming, all those things, that high school could be the school. They will still have some academics in it, of course.
Mm-hmm.
But their main curriculum
Like how
would
they
be
count
sports.
their millions.
Yeah, their main curriculum would be sports. So I think the school is underused, but then nobody would listen to me anyway. So it could be a teaching school, yes, for the teaching faculty, but it could also be a school where you train athletes, sportsmen and women. We just passed Avon Park on the right side. I never passed my favorite fish restaurant. I think I passed it already down the road. You know?
We should stop there.
Yeah, man,
Food always tastes good.
I'm hungry, man. This says approaching a rest stop. I don't know which one though. Guys, I'm trying to power through the video. Seems as if I'm going to come down with a cold. Angel Grove is on my right. But to get into the scheme, I can't just make a right turn here, so I have to go around the roundabout. And what's the address we're going to then?
We're going to...
And that's Angel's Plaza in front of me. As you can see the KFC sign. And have you mapped it?
I think I remember the last time we said turn at the yellow.
Turn at the yellow.
Yeah.
And this one is this a yellow?
That's green.
That's green. People, don't turn at the green. That's a green. The sign actually says Green Avenue.
Yeah.
So we're to turn at the sign that says Yellow Avenue. And then what from here? We're from there.
Go straight to the end and then make a right.
Go straight to the end and make a right. We're just showing you the drive-up video of how to actually get to the location. But remember that you are to call us for viewing. Now the house is tenanted, so we're not going to go inside. You will be allowed inside if you want to view. Sleeping policeman. You'll be allowed inside if you want to view. You must have a pre-approval letter. You must have completed the customer information form.
Right, so it's 2 bedrooms.
And send your ID as well. So as Tony said, you turn at the Yellow Avenue. Come straight down to the end. Is it this turn?
These are tiny homes.
Is it this turn or the next turn?
The last one. The end.
Oh gosh, I feel as if I'm gonna sneeze. Trying to power through, guys. Sometimes you have to do that, see? Can't make nothing stop you, right? Pearl Terrace. House is on my right. So it's the second one on the right, painted in white with yellow accents. Do not disturb the tenants or the occupants of the home. You want a viewing, you call us. What's the number, Tony?
876-370-8138.
And what's the office number?
876-906-7174.
All right. 370-8138, you said?
Yeah.
And that one also have a WhatsApp on it?
It does.
All right. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen. So, this one is now on my left, right? So, it's when you make the turn, it's going to be the second one on the right, painted in white with yellow accents. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for listening to me. I have to go and get something for this cold. I need some onion and garlic, right, Tony?
Onion and garlic.
And some good old ginger.
Wasn't it lime and...
Oh, lime and honey. Yes, and some good old ginger. And I'm a bit a ways from my house, but I'm going to try and get back home now and deal with that. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful, beautiful Jamaica day.
Bye, everyone.